MC Ballet channel with me, Nirmala. Thank you very much for those who have contacted me. So for now, for the time being, we are only connecting through MC Ballet channel. You are being asked to be an MC. But don't be panicked. You have to build your mind that you should be proud. You are a special person. Not everyone can be MC. Anyone can go on stage and speak, but it's not as simple as that to be MC. You need to be able to act as a pleasant host, a friendly host, present all of the event flow nicely and smoothly, and also you need to be an anchor for the program to run on time. What's the big thing of being a good MC? Preparation. Preparation is a must. You need to do your homework. You need to talk to whomever contacted you, giving you the job to be MC. You need to talk to them, ask the event details, why the event is being held, what the objectives are, who are the audience, and then any special occasion, maybe that was held in conjunction of something. After knowing the event details, make your script. Prepare everything. Prepare what you're going to say. Not always you're going to read that script word by word, but preparing a script will be very helpful because you're going to have an overall picture of what you're going to say in general. You know your plan, you know the structure. That gives you a confidence because you are prepared. Like you're going to a war, you already have your weapon. Like you're going to an exam, you have studied, you have read all of the textbook. So going on stage, being an MC without preparing a script is like a suicide. Sometimes a big conference, a big event will have their own script maker. So in that case, you just need to ask that script in advance, read them. Sometimes it's harder when somebody else is preparing a script because it means you have to read and memorize most of the keywords. And then you're gonna put your twist into it. You're gonna put your flavor into that script that was made by somebody else. You also need to prepare how you look, what kind of makeup, hair, clothing, shoes, everything. Preparing your fashion, meaning you are preparing the way you are presenting yourself. How you want people to evaluate you depends on how you're preparing your fashion. Equally as important as preparing your script, because the way you look gives good impression, and the way you speak, what you're saying is giving a good impact as well to the audience and to the client. So you're getting the next gig. You need to practice, rehearse, and then repeat that again. Repeat that process. Ask somebody else to evaluate you, or record yourself, listen to your voice, watch how you move, your body language. So do it as part of your training to be a better MC. It's also good to practice your vocal. We should have a good vocal expression. So you can also practice and have a rounder voice, not very thin or too thick. So we can practice by saying, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Nirmala and I'm your MC for this event. So by practicing, like shaping your vocal cord, not being a singer, but having your voice rounder will help you sound better on the microphone. If you think your voice is too thick, you can practice or you can train your vocal cord by saying E, and then continued by saying your sentence. E. gentlemen, this is Nirmala Trisna and I'm here to present this dance competition. Sounds very squeaky. If you think your voice is too rough, you can practice, train your vocal cord by saying ooh, continuing with your sentence. Let's try. Ooh, ladies and gentlemen, now I'm going to be on stage presenting the next speaker coming from Indonesia. Sounds a little bit different when you start by saying the ah or e or oo, then your vocal cord was shaped in a certain way, and then you continue saying your sentence. If you do that regularly, you will have a different way of talking. I'm sure about that. If you don't believe me, try. An important key is also understanding or knowing your stage team, your event team. So come to the event early or earlier, a day before, for a rehearsal, for practice, and then talk to the event team, know who is the stage manager, the show director, the sound operator, lighting operator, stage crew, your assistant, runner. You know you have somebody to call the next speaker, to call the next talent to come on stage. You have somebody preparing the whole AV. In that sense, you are feeling you're supported by a team. You're not alone. We're all there to prepare or to create a great event presented to the audience or to the client. So talk to them, understand how the event flow, how they want you to stand, how they want you to come on stage, how they want you to come off the stage. Is there any music to accompany you walk on the stage? Just ask, and also let them lead you, let them direct you, because often we learn a lot from those event team. And then go on stage. Be on stage, be present, be friendly, be confident. You can do this. You can be a good MC. By training, practicing, evaluating ourselves, we all can be a good MC. Trust yourself. That's all for now. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Share this video to somebody who will need help or need tutorial to be MC. Thank you very much. See you next time.